Yo, yo,
Morning, Lou.
what it look like, bro? What's going on, man?
Hey, I caught me this little push up. That's a
Good
nice little
shit.
move where you're breakout from the 61.8.
hmm Yep, I'm driving right now, so I can't even see it. But good shit. Yeah,
You fixing to be at the crib?
yeah, I'll be at the crib like in an hour or
Oh,
less. I just gotta make a couple runs right quick.
okay,
Then I'll be
bet.
back at the spot. But I'll definitely be on for sure. I'm still on now, so you can. It's just me and the whip. So
All right, bet. Yeah, I'm trying to. We still in the same range from yesterday. All of Asia and London, we're still playing
hmm
exact same range from yesterday. We haven't made new lows, new highs, new nothing.
yeah,
And we already got eight, both London and Asian. And
yeah.
I think right now we might go for the high, but I just don't like this. So if you look clear to the left, it's just choppiness on London. What's to the left?
hmm
So I kind of don't even want to trade that the push up for London high.
Yeah, but hey, you like how you can see the previous day's high and the previous day's low now, like clear,
Hell
right?
yeah, yeah, hell yeah! I was looking at that, and then I was going back to the stations. Oh, and I can see the other stations low. Oh, okay, bet. Oh, hell
Yeah.
yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
It's just so you know what I know a lot of people that are like, oh, I don't like all these indicators, but it's like, okay, cool, that's fine. You don't have to do all those indicators you don't want, but if you're already going to draw out levels from the previous day, well, that is actually an indicator. You might as well just use it.
Yeah.
Then people are like, oh yeah, actually, yeah, I'll use that one. It's like
Oh,
it's not like, oh, you're not adding something that's like gonna create a
dude.
trading style. It's
Mhm.
just you're just marking off levels. It's just automatically doing it for you.
Oh, bro, I love indicators. Oh, I love indicators, Sam.
Yeah, me too, bro. Me too, and especially if you know how to use them.
Yeah, yeah, because
Exactly.
they can see shit that your eye can't see before you can even see it.
Exactly. Exactly. Like if I'm zoomed in on a chart and I'm trading and I see that the market bounced off a level yesterday, then and it did it in a vicious way, then it'll be nice to be able just to locate that level.
To know what it was. Oh, I know.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So yeah, that's all I'd be doing, man. That's it. That's it.
Oh, I definitely like these indicators. I sure do. I'm gonna figure out my I'm think I'm gonna put the 200 the EMAs, the 250.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Let's go.
that's the next one I need.
Yep. I think they might have it. They may or may not have. I'm not sure because I don't.
They do
I think
have
they
it.
do. They do,
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
they have it. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna cancel my subscription
Trading view.
to Trading View. I haven't used it in like a month now.
Yeah. Hey, bruh. Where he's converted.
Yeah. Do you see how it aligned with the dates?
Yeah. And the thing is, it's um what you call it? Uh we just gotta get Martin to convert.
Yeah, because these same indicators that you hooked me up with, bro, I
hmm
was paying for these. I was paying
Yeah.
like $20 a month.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
so I can't. Why pay for that shit when I can, it's here.
That's what I'm saying. There's no reason to, especially when you can just, do
Yo,
what it do. Like
I
right
think
there, bang.
I might run. I might look into some of those algos because they have a few algos on there, and
On
I'm
where? On Trading View?
on Trading View, yeah, but
Okay.
they're made. But I'm gonna see something that kind of fits my criteria, like sort of what
hmm
I do,
Yep.
and I'll find one that I like, and I'm gonna run an extra monitor. just for if it ever meets my confirmations along with what I'm looking in the chart, that way I know to, oh, okay, cool, entry right here.
Oh yeah. Hell
But
yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of I'm gonna have to do my homework and see who created that and what's behind it, and write it down, and
Okay.
see what's helpful, you know.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's what's up, bro.
Yeah, we pushing up right now. It's mad choppy. I don't like that choppiness. I don't think I'm gonna get on these buys unless we make new highs possibly.
Yeah, I was seeing the market a little bit before I left, and I was like, oh well, I'm out. I'm out. It's cool with me.
Yeah, good. That was a nice little push on I caught that little breakout, that little break on the fit from the 61 on the 50. Well, the support was sitting right at the 50, and I seen that little break. I'm like, okay, game time, and I got me a nice little pinch.
That's a nice feeling. Yep.
Yeah, today I might just look at the market till I see something that looks appealing. But as far as it goes, right now, unless I see the trends flipping bearish, I think bears will be the way to go. But we still got a little bit of range to reach that daily high.
Yeah,
we got like 100 points maybe. Yeah, around 100 points right now to reach the daily high.
Yeah, almost 900, 950. Oh, let's see. What price are we at now? 879, 9.
Yeah,
okay, yeah. A little less than, a little less than 100, yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It should be good. Now we wait.
Mm-hmm.
Now we just gotta wait. Oh! Yeah, you see that box you have drawn on the top?
Yeah.
Are you marking that out as like a level that if it gets up there today might be potential resistance?
This was just yesterday. I marked a strong sell zone that I seen here. It's here, and then it was here, and then here too. Well, that's before this breakout happened, but it happened here. I think I scalped some of these sells. I used it to just for a sell zone, but who knows? It might stay true today. So let me stretch this out. Stretch it. Yeah, market's moving. I mean, it's moving nice. It's moving nice.
Yeah.
I just don't like the previous price action. So I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm just laying on the sidelines just to see if we get some volatility or we start printing some nice candles.
Yeah, volatility definitely died down a little bit. Like, obviously, we're not moving 2,000 points right now in a day, but it's still nice though. It's kind of back to Trump normal. Yeah, which is still elevated, but
Yeah, man, like you said, we got spoiled.
Yeah.
Which that's good. That's good though. That's good.
Right. Oh shit! Market's open.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look at that big bus. Eesh. There we go.
Wonder we'll.
I know I'm missing out on some stuff, but that's all good. It is all crazy. Yeah. I'm about to mute, but I'm still on.
Well, we are about to get the high now. Give me that. Ooh, oh, that crazy rejection from the daily high. Ooh, dang. We ran 40 points down, straight down.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order canceled.
running up.
Order filled. Target filled.
Go.
Order submitted.
Hey Lou, wellness check. What up, Mike?
What's up? What's up?
Man, market is kind of, it's nice. It's a nice trend, but man, it's kind of like stalling a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Man,
We're at a 15-minute 50-minute area. That's why.
Yeah, I was tempted to get on that sell a minute ago, but I'm like, I just wait off just because it's
Nah,
been we've just been running up, and we'll run up and then pull back again. So we'll see what they're trying to say.
sweep anything. Do sweep any levels.
They're still fighting that bullish trend. They still trying to hold it.
Yeah, from what I'm seeing on the 1 minute, if we do fall, let's see, let's drop this swing high from the dump yesterday. The end of day dump.
Yeah, because
Boom.
I think they're trying to fill that yesterday that little imbalance, that little nice range.
Yeah, we might fall. Let's see, we swept it. That's our high. That's our low. We closed under our low. Retested this little 1 minute order block. Yeah, I'm gonna drop. Target 036 if we do target.
No, if we pull back, I can see easily, at least for the very least, going to the 50 on those fifths, and that's at 964.
Let's see what we do.
Mm-hmm.
Because technically, in a 1 minute, we did kind of shift a little bit.
Yeah. We'll see if right now it's up to that high. If we break that little previous high, today's high, then we should.
You see how in the 1 minute candle we pulled back at 950, we pushed up and created that new high at 952.
Okay.
Right,
yeah.
So the bottom of that 950 candle would be our market shift if we closed under it, which we did on the 959 candle. So let's see if we can hold it. I mean, we're overall we're bullish, but if we were gonna switch, that's where it would be.
Yeah.
We got our close here. We didn't sweep nothing. So decent order block, 25-point stop.
Man, it's a little choppy.
Yeah, 25-point stop. See what she does here. So my order block would be the 953, 954, 955 candle.
953.
Those three.
Yeah.
So that would be my order block if we were to hold this and drop that B. I mean, it's not bad. I got a 15-point stop. So
you see my screen right now?
Yeah.
This right here, right?
That would be no. So your candles that tapped that 23.6 a little bit back.
Oh, right here.
So you see those candles that we pulled back and we created that new high.
Yeah.
Technically, those wicks, that's our new high. I mean, we might break it, but that 952 is technically your high. See if what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got more liquidity up here, so it's a big run. Like that's a pretty big run since 8:30.
And when we pulled back, yo.
Yeah. Probably gonna break. Let's see. Hammer candle. Oh, the bearish hammer candle.
Oh, 5 minute about to close too, fam.
Yeah. I said overall we're bullish, but let's see what we do here. Like this. Let's see. Close under. Oh yeah. I would love to see this 5-minute candle push down and close bearish.
Yeah, we failed to make a high 5 minute just close, but we still holding on that little zone.
Next time I whistle for you and fall across the floor.
We're feeling that wick now.
This 1-minute candle right here will probably determine what we do. Oh, ate it all up. There's a little fair volume imbalance right there. You see how we tapped that 1-minute volume imbalance? Let's see if we can dump here. You go to the 1 minute, you'll see like a little gap.
Yeah.
A little volume imbalance right there. Let's see if we can stay under it.
I'll tell you what. It's your special day.
Let's see if we respect it.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh.
Hopefully that's not liquidity.
Uh-oh.
I put above the high. If we break that high
Yeah,
to
that little fair value gap.
yeah, and fill that little range that we got left.
Hey, how the market looking?
Like boo-boo now.
Huh?
Like
it's
boo-boo
not-
right now.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
okay. Because I got my algos. They're in like longs.
Order filled.
Oh God! Oh, get out! Get out!
Nice. But this
Damn. That was a candle. Big gap through that imbalance. Oh, stopped. All right. Well, we're gonna keep going. One, 4, 5. Here we come. It's 1, 4, 5 inbound. Here, long surge.
Jumping along.
Order filled.
1, 4, 5 incoming. Probably 1, 5, 4 maybe. Oh, ding dong. Sweet 190.
Hey, Auntie.
good morning.
More.
Oh, money.
Let's go.
Order filled.
Whoa, we're here catching longs.
Go.
Hey,
Hey,
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take a screenshot of my of the crib.
what happened?
Hold on a second. Because like these algos is catching these bullish trades.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Sheesh. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
All right.
Stuff filled.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, with it. Come on, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh my god. Hey, you know what I mean, Auntie, when I start singing.
Yeah, I already know. I said, you know what I mean when I'm like, let's go. I don't got that sad talk. So look, so my little
Oh, baby.
you stupid. Let's go, y'all.
It's been a good day for sure.
Good day, good day.
Yeah,
Mm.
I'm
Got
out.
one runner.
I said I'm out. So you know, yesterday I was telling you, Serge, that I put my
Order filled.
my daily profit.
Yeah.
I just went ahead and did my daily profit. As soon as I reached my profit, it took me out the trade. I was like, I'm good.
Order
Let's go.
filled.
Let's go.
But I need to do that with my I need to do that with rhythmic trading. I don't know how to do that with rhythmic. I gotta look into that.
I know there's
Auntie,
one.
I got a whole video, and you talking
Oh,
about
for
you don't
rhythmic.
know how to do that.
For rhythmic.
I literally just said I have a whole video.
Oh, I didn't see that. That was the video that you. I thought the video that you sent me was the one for the payout for the trader.
Hold on. All right. Nah, I'm saying on the channel, there's. I sent you the.
No, you sent me the video for the payout instruction.
I sent you a video. I sent you a couple.
Oh, let me.
I sent you the one on the rhythmic. Boom.
Oh, let me go back and look.
It's in there. But either way, though, good shit. Everybody, good shit today.
Yeah,
It's fire.
Everybody, good job. I'm out. I just wanted to come on and say hi to everybody, but I'm out.
She wanted to come out. She wanted to come on and say, "I hit daily goal, y'all."
No, I wanted to. Yesterday,
Hey, what's up, y'all? I hit daily goal. All right, bye.
Order submitted.
Oh, yesterday I hit my daily loss.
You ain't right.
What's up?
You ain't right.
I'm trying to finish up this my nursing course, and so I just been so busy with trying to get this. I'm trying to launch my shit by the beginning of the month next, and so I'm just like so intentional about this.
Let's go.
So intentional about this. Like I gotta finish this shit up. So, and then the guys who was working with me, I'm like putting fire, I'm cursing them out and be like, what the fuck y'all doing? So I gotta make sure I'm on point because I've been going in on them.
Yep.
You know, if you're going in on something, you gotta be on point yourself, you know?
That's a fact.
Yeah, but I'm gonna watch that video later on because I definitely want to do that for rhythmic because I'm so happy that it took me out the trade when I met my goal. So I wasn't waiting for nothing. I was definitely good because I gotta get this. I gotta get these payouts. You know, motivated.
Hell yeah.
Malik been motivating me. Okay, he definitely been motivating me. All right,
I'm watching how we close on that.
You text me, but you didn't call me. You didn't call me yesterday.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Who's that? Let's go. Oh, you gotta be going to a short. Your stop is not too close, Church.
No,
Man, Auntie, now she over here.
That's
Now she over here doing a play-by-play
Oh,
coach.
let's go. Let's go, Serge. I keep forgetting that you on a 5-minute chart.
Yo, Sergio.
Yeah.
You gotta put your Auntie said you gotta put your stop 500 points away. It's too close.
I did not say that.
I'll try to.
Order filled.
You gotta put your stop at all-time highs from 2 weeks ago.
No, these folks, they crazy, B.
Yeah, nah, this they doing their thing. Okay. Yeah.
So what time you gotta go to work?
Who, me?
Is doing it.
Oh no, go ahead. You concentrating. Go ahead.
Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it.
If you missed it, you missed it, bro. That's it.
Yeah, you missed it, bro. Don't chase.
You already said it. Yep.
Ricky.
Even if it's a winner, that's fine. Because it's funny. We talked about this yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yo, that's mad funny. We talked about this yesterday. We talked about the same shit yesterday, bro.
We sure did, yo. We sure did.
Even if we miss it, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
That was beautiful, bro. I was just about to say that. I'm like, yo, we didn't close above that little range. We might flip, bro. Surely not, though. We flip like right then and there before I could finish that sentence.
Mm-hmm. That's how I go.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, when Auntie said, "Hey, you singing? You had a good day." I'm like, "Hey, Lou had a good day. Hey, let's go."
Let's go. Like I usually try to have a good day, but when you have a really really good day and you wasn't even at the house, it's time to sing.
Yeah. I'm singing there with you. Man,
now I gotta go take profit trader. But they don't want no automation, so that's fine.
Oh, they don't want automation?
Nope.
What you gotta do? You gotta do so you can't replicate.
No. I just said no automation.
I know what you said. I'm just saying. Said it again.
I say no automation. You talking about replicato?
So wait. So you can't do algos?
That's what I'm saying. No,
you got
do automation.
You got a straight manual trade with them?
It's only you can either trade with algos or you can do manual.
Look, we just touched the 61.8.
No algo. So I gotta be manual with it because that's they said something. I'm gonna ask them because they talking about they said they don't want people using algos or automation because they see like a lot of people they be getting clapped using those and with high frequency and stuff. But if I'm like yo, how about if I got a strategy, but I just so happen to automate it, like that's fine. It's not HFTs, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna just keep doing what I'm doing for now. And then once I hit a certain amount, then I'm gonna be like, yo, what's good? But we'll see. I'm just taking it slow and steady.
Order filled.
That's it, man. Slow and steady. Calling it a day.
Stock filled.
All right, I gotta because Sergio is making my stomach hurt because I'm tempted.
That's horrible.
I gotta stop.
I feel you though.
I gotta stop watching shit.
Oh, bros, look at the 61.8.
Ooh, that was perfect. Dude, call me later, yo, so we can talk about this IC, okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye, Serge.
You have a good day.
Okay, you too. Okay.
All right.
Hey, let's go.
Wait, did it? Hold on. So you mean to tell me that the market ran new high, and then they came down to the golden ratio and then did a vicious bounce? Is that what you're saying? Are you saying that the golden ratio did what golden ratio usually does? Is that what just happened?
I think that's what we just witnessed.
That's crazy.
Bro, that strategy's cold.
Wow. Man. And that was it. If you was a golden ratio trader, right there. So wait, hold on. Entry what, 937? And you got at least 100 points out the deal.
Let's
at
go.
least. Put your stop at the next fib. And that's it. And again, it could lose too. We could have been like golden ratio, stop filled. That could have happened too, and it's still okay.
Yeah.
Like I never want to ever say that the strategy is 100% because it's never. Like that could have lost too. It could have came down. You could have filled that golden ratio, and then it could have stop filled, and you could have got clapped. but with an edge in the market, it's a higher probability. It's higher than it's highly likely than unlikely that that'll happen. So
I think I'm gonna make me ATM for golden ratio with the stop loss set at a decent stop loss. You know, maybe 30 points, 25 points, maybe even 40 points. You know, and with one micro or two.
But that's what I'm saying, sir. The stop gotta be you're putting a tick stop, but I'm saying the stop gotta be where the stop gotta be.
Yeah, well, that's where I was going. I was saying,
Gotcha.
set a decent stop just in case you know things go sour the second you enter. But then so like let's say we enter, and then give ourselves like a high stop, and then we'll just rearrange it once like the second.
Got you. Yes, sir.
And rearrange it, and there'll be low micros. But that's what I'm saying. Just like 30 points or so, just in case it goes like automatically sour, like boom, it goes straight into your stop loss.
Oh. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom. I'm a hustler, baby.
Let's see what is going on. Oh man.
Order submitted.
Yeah, this market. This shit over with.
I hit all these accounts for the next 30 days. All I'm gonna do is gonna be using the small ATMs and give me a little pinches, $100 a day, 150. You know, I'll be good.
Let's get it, bro. That's good, bro. I'm so happy that everybody is eating. It's so fire.
Let's go.
So fire.
I'm gonna try to do this as long as I can do it. Like, see how far I can bring this account.
Dang. Wow. Gotta go shopping. Gotta do like a bunch of things.
Sounds like you had a busy day already.
Yeah, no, I definitely did for sure.
Yeah, I gotta go to my mom's after this. Let's go.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Ooh,
Order filled.
what's the market doing now?
We pushing up.
Wow. Have they broken? I'm not even looking. Have they broken golden ratio or nah?
It's still staying true. We
Still
we
staying
came back, retouched the 61.8, and we bouncing up
Order
right now.
filled. Order filled.
All right. Funny. Wow.
Let's go.
Boy, out here. You in the minis or you micro?
Stop filled.
Micros. Yeah, I can't. I can't do no minis right now.
Order filled.
Boy, say he microed out. He minied out. Okay.
Yeah, I went ahead and took I took the NQ chart out, and I went ahead and saved it to my workspace.
There you go.
Once I get a good amount of evals, I might start doing the give me that. But I was thinking of finding a aggressive approach for it, but that would just might be just one, and that would be for shits and giggles. If it works, cool. If it don't, fuck it. No, we actually just moved like 20 points, 15 points a second ago.
Hey, my fault. I was just returning some shit out of at Macy's, bro. So yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
like I'm the type of dude like this, bro. Like I'm fine with spending money, but bro, I'm not about to pay. I'm not about to pay $45 for 4 pairs of socks, bro.
Nah, hell no, fuck that. Bro, over here in town, bro, like, and as you said, I don't mind spending money, but I'm not a dum-dum either,
Yeah,
like,
that's exactly, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like,
there's the difference
I'm not a dum-dum.
yeah, like, there's the difference between, like, treating yourself to something nice. All right, I'm gonna give you a nice little Gucci belt into
Yeah.
something, it's nonsense, like,
Right.
yeah, like, bro, like, nobody's even gonna see a sock.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, like, even like last night, like I took my family out to dinner, right? We went to a hot pot spot. We went out to dinner. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
I spent over 200 last night. Fine, like I that's cool. But bro, $45 for 4 pairs of socks, bro?
Yeah, you got me fucked up.
Y'all, miss me with that. Fuck
Yeah,
out of
bro.
here. Like, what? Like, hell nah. This what?
This is gonna sound crazy, yo, but like all my socks and all my underwear, I got it on like TJ Maxx and
Bruh, bro.
and,
Hey, TJ Maxx,
and
Marshalls, bro.
I don't know if you have the same thing over there, but over here we got the half and half store. It's basically these places that take like they like where they have closeouts, whether it's closeouts or like damaged shit. Sometimes the damaged shit could be like a little string, like, you know what I mean?
Bruh, that's what I'm saying. Like, bro, and you know where else I go? So all right, yesterday I went to TJ Maxx. I got a bunch of shirts and shit. I've got a bunch of like boxers and socks. But I had gone to Macy's first. But it just wasn't sitting right with me that I spent so much bread. I spent $45 on socks at TJ Maxx, but I got mad pairs. But then that's why I was like, yeah, let me get up out of here. Let me go return this shit from Macy's. So I did that return just now. And then now that $45 I just got back, I'm about to go re-spend it, but somewhere else now and get more stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, if you think about it, like that, like with that, you can get groceries. Some groceries.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, or
exactly.
There's so much, bro. That's like that's almost like 3 evals.
Yeah, bro. You see what I'm saying? And then also too, like I go to Costco, like so I got a bunch of socks from Costco also. You feel me? Like I'm not like I can go to Costco right now and get a 12 pack of socks for like $14.
Yeah.
Like,
Yo,
I'll do that, bro. And bro, what?
over here, my boys are like, bro, how the fuck you always buy all these clothes? How come you always wearing like brand clothing and shit? I'm like, bro, like if you look at my closet, it's probably like $30. My whole closet.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Bro,
saying. Like, I'm not stupid. Like,
mhm.
I'm
I
not a
go to
dum dum.
yeah, I go to the half and half store, bro. I'll spend like $30. I'm carrying like 2 bags, bro. They fucking full ass shit, brand new shirts, bro. I love it. I'm nope,
That's
nope,
what I'm
nope.
saying.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. But then my girl though, she be the one forcing it. I want this. I'm like, oh, and be like, she want to like, it be, but sometimes you treat yourself, which is cool. But she not always like that. So I gotta say, she not always like that. But some things she likes, which is cool. Some things I like too, which I'm gonna get. But it just be funny when she be like, oh, I want that shirt. I look at the shirt like, God damn, you want that shirt like $180? It'd be one shirt, $180, and it's a half shirt.
It looked like some shit you can get at Walmart or some shit.
Word. Oh my god.
In our reality, if you think about it, it's the same shit.
It's the same shit.
It's the same shit. They just put a little brand in there, shit.
Right. Yo, did you see what China was doing on TikTok and Twitter the other day?
What they do? I might have.
Yo, so they was putting out these videos, and they was like, hey, your favorite brands, they say they don't use us, but look, we manufacture all their shit. And it was like, yo, the shirts that y'all be buying for like $400, we make them for $3 here. And they were showing like all the little videos they were showing videos of the places where they get it with all the clothes with the logos on it and everything. And it was just, hold on, I'm gonna send it to you. hold on. I'm gonna send you the video right now. Hold on. This shit's funny. Watch this. This shit's hilarious. Let me see. I go profile. Go to. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's right here. Bang. Here. Copy link. Oh no, I'm not gonna copy link. I'm gonna just go here. Boom. Profile. Hold on, it's right here. There's two of them. It's this one. Boom. Here. And this one. Boom. Boom. All right, send. Tell me that shit's not funny, bro. That shit is hilarious.
Factory for most of the luxury brands around the world, Gucci, Prada, Coach, Louis Vuitton, you name it. But this I'm not proud because in making wages, the profit margin, the people who are actually making bags are very low. What I'm really proud of is that first we have the best quality control. Two, we have the best craftsmanship. Chinese craftsmen are always intelligent and diligent. Three, we have the most complete supply chain. We always get the best like zippers, accessories of any kinds, and color, and leathers needed. Now, as the USA, its little European powers are trying to refuse Chinese goods, don't you think luxury brands are not trying to move the OEM out of China? Yes, they did, but they failed because the OEM factories out of China, they don't have good quality control and they don't have as good craftsmanship. Their workers are either too expensive or too lazy. Three, they don't have any supply chain. They always have trouble getting leather or zippers or any accessories. That is why they failed, and that is why we will always be the best OEM factory for luxury brands. Why don't you just contact us and buy from us? You won't believe the prices we give you.
That is crazy, yo.
Crazy, right?
Mm-hmm. There's a reason why their stock is so high, because
Yeah. Insane. It's insane, bro. Like, it's crazy. It is insane, bro. It's actually insane.
they're getting like 3,000% per sale.
I don't know what's up with these people.
All right, hear this out, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wearing some Air Forces. My Air Forces, they were basically brand new. I got them for I got these Air Forces for $20 at fucking Goodwill. I'm like, shit, I don't care. Give me that.
Give me that, bro. Give me that.
I'm wearing some Filas. I got some what do you call them? I think they're called joggers. My pants. They're Filas. I got them for $1 at that store that I told you.
Hey, bro.
My shirt, my shirt, 100% cotton. I got it at Goodwill for $1.
Hell yeah,
Bro, my whole set's like $22.
bro. Give me that.
Yeah,
Give me that. All that.
And I'm proud of it, bro, because
Hell
I'm
yeah.
like, bro, I just got all this shit that you go and into a trip and you pay for this. Everything that I'm wearing right now, you probably pay, 150, 100, and some shit like that. Bro, just the shoes alone, $100. I got them for $20. They were brand new,
Exactly. And the thing is too, it's like someone just spent $100. Like, okay, I'm also gonna spend $100, but I'm not gonna spend the whole 100 on the shoes. I'm gonna spend $20 on the shoes, but then now I got $80 to go do something else that I was gonna already buy.
Exactly.
So it's not like the money is gonna get spent, right? Like that's the main thing. Money is going to get spent.
Yeah.
It's how you spend it that matters, right? Why would I go buy an eval for $100 when I can go buy 5 evals for $20 each?
Right.
I'm gonna spend $100.
Well,
Like I'm gonna spend it.
100%. I'm there with you. Bro. I'm there with you. Because and don't get me wrong. I got I had an account with Take Profit, but then I was like, wait a minute. Why pay $50 monthly for Take Profit when you can pay for 3 evals at Bill Knox with a recurring fee? The day that you pass one of those accounts, you get to have that live account.
Bang. Bang.
Yeah.
Easy money.
Easy money.
Easy money.
Yeah, I'm there with you, fam. I'm trying to be as most efficient as I can be.
Yeah, that's all it's about. Efficiency.
Mm-hmm.
Efficiency.
And like you said, I don't care about spending. I don't. It's how it's spent,
Exactly.
If you know something is nonsense, like
Nonsense, bro.
Yeah, let's say you're a restaurant and you're like, no, that is not worth that, and I'm not gonna pay that because that's just, bro, like that's like you willingly getting scammed. You feel me?
Yeah, bro. Like even last night, like we bought so much food. I paid like 200 something, but we got so much food and it was cool. I'm like, all right, and it was all healthy. It's all very good food. Like there was no bullshit. It was all like good chicken, like organic chicken bone broth and all type of shit like that. Like, so we was good. It was great. Like I'm willing to. I'll pay for what I need to pay for. So that's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm coming, man. For real.
Yeah. Once I start getting these payouts rolling, and once I get these payouts rolling, I think I must take a step back for a whole nother year. Not like a step back away from the tracks. What I mean is like before I can start spending any money, I'm gonna try like something that the money will come back. You know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
And what I was thinking on going with, I haven't looked into the U.S. bonds, but I know that the yield that they offer it's okay, but
yeah,
it's something guaranteed. Bro, if you ever get a chance, take a scope on the Mexican bonds. I can tell you on top of my head, but for one, they have like a inflation thing. So they have like a little inflation threshold. That way, it protects you from inflation. Due to the volatility of the inflation.
Yeah, Well,
And
U.S. has those too.
yeah, and it's another currency, so it makes it a little bit higher, And
Yeah.
well, with Mexican bonds, you can even do like monthlies. You can do all kinds of crazy shit. I need to look. I need to dip my toes on the U.S. as well. But
Yeah, now I would say everything that you just mentioned that the Mexican bonds have, the United States has it too. Like what you said, the ones that like protect against inflation. In the
Yeah.
U.S., they call tips.
Ah,
Those bonds are called tips.
gotcha.
So yeah, I know personally me, I probably like when it comes to bond markets and stuff, I would probably only be within the U.S. market for bonds, but
Right.
I can definitely look at it. I might change my mind depending on what I see. But that's
Yeah.
good to know. I appreciate that. Good looks.
What I was thinking is just build that little, almost like a little side business. That way there's money. We're planting trees. That way everything that we're doing, we get to see the seeds itself. It's there in the ground forever.
Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go. Yeah, this shit is fire.
Man, I was trying to play some board, but I lost my controller.
Oh yeah, as soon as I get to the crib, I'm definitely down. I'm done with the charts. I'm done with the market today. I ain't even.
Hey, let's go.
I'm good. I am 100% good. Oh my God, these people.
Oh, I found it.
Come on, man. All right. Yeah. Yeah. It was raining crazy this morning where
Oh,
I
yeah,
am.
yeah, that's great.
Then it stopped.
That's tight. That means that spring's just there now.
Yeah. It's bro, I'm telling you, the weather is real. The weather is real nice like right now. Oh, come on.
Yeah, we've been having nice weather since shoot, I say for about a month now. I remember we had the one last snowstorm, and out of the blue after that day, bro, it was so nice. I think the highest we got this week is 90 degrees.
90?
Yup. Kansas is so crazy, bro, when it comes to weather. Like one day it can be 30 degrees, and then the next day it can be 90. The next, it's just crazy.
Yeah, that's definitely how that goes, man. Especially over here. Like, we have this good weather, but I feel like I can't jinx it because we start to have really good weather, and then it goes to shit like quickly. You'd be like, oh damn, I shouldn't have said nothing. But I just hope that it stays this way for a very long time. That's what I need. Oh, I just got an Amazon notice. Annual meeting. This is a reminder that the annual meeting for a proxy vote comes up. Blah 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 blah. Actually, okay. All right. Because of the Amazon shares I own.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, you see them chicks that got launched into space?
Yo, was it some who like not wasn't it hold on, don't even say the name. Wasn't it Lady Gaga or something?
It was like Katy Perry and
Katy Perry. That's what it was, Katy Perry. Yeah.
That's the only one who I remember, but I think they're all like pop stars.
Yeah. I saw that. I saw something that said, yeah, the Katy Perry is back from space or something. I'm like, what? I forgot where I saw it, but I just like, oh wow, okay, that's what we doing.
What kind of timeline we living in now? Bro,
yeah,
shit,
like
crazier.
Yeah, it definitely just gets crazy, bro. I'm like, yeah, Katy Perry, that's what it was. Yep. Yeah.
Man,
Bro.
we need to be in another world before this one blows up. Real talk.
Yeah, bro. Well, hey, they're really getting ready to, you know, they're getting ready to make sure everything is like it's good to go in other places.
Yeah, they're trying. They're trying. Shit.
Hell yeah.
It's just so
Exactly.
crazy. Like any day could be the last day for humanity. Honestly.
Yeah. 100%. I might lose service now because I'm in this garage.
Oh, oh, you back home?
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna unmute once I'm out. Hold on. Okay, should be hearing me now. You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am. Let's see. In the garage now. Just dropped the car off. Then I'm gonna probably go out and get some breakfast. Did what's his name to say? Count?
Yeah, Nathan said he blew an account.
Damn.
In half a second. Hey, Mike.
Damn. How did he blow that shit? You gotta put a stop in place.
Hey, Mike, can you hear us?
But bro, the
Well,
market is so bullish right now.
Well,
That was insane.
well,
That
let's
push to the highs.
Going down.
Yo, last week I got a couple QQQ calls. Can you hear me?
yes, we can hear you. Hey, Lou. Okay.
Hold on one second, bro. I got you. Let me see.
Walnut's doing 83 as well.
Yeah, I just put the code in. Yes, sir, Buonox.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I got that. Now I'm out walking around the city.
Let's go.
Get some steps in, tracking it on the Apple Watch. But yeah, I got some QQQ calls last week. And they're all right.
What is it that you say you got?
I got QQQ calls.
Oh, yo.
Nothing crazy though. Nothing crazy. Yeah.
That dude Frank, he does calls too. Not calls, but options. I mean,
Who's Frank?
he's new in the group.
Oh, okay.
I added him Sunday afternoon.
Ooh.
He trades these contracts that expire like at a day. Hold
Oh,
on.
zero DTEs.
Yeah, yup. That's
Zero
exactly.
day to expiration. Yeah, that's risky as fuck. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah,
Let me-
I mean, if you can do it, you can do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Anytime I try to do options, I fail. So I don't.
Yeah. Makes sense. It's a crazy market. It's like, because in that market, it's with options, you got so many different variables. You got all the Greeks, you got time decay, you got like all these, you got theta, you got, it's just, the only reason why I like futures better is because
Right.
it's static. It doesn't like,
And
they're,
you know how
it's just hybrids.
you know how we know that the market, quote unquote, is like manipulated in a
Mhm.
way. I think it's worse with call options, because
Yeah.
in there it's expiring at X date or X whatever, and I noticed that
Yeah.
prices always closes below when below those expirations.
Yo, here's the crazy thing too with options. Like, you can get a call option, and depending on the call, the price, depending on the call price
Mhm.
and stuff like that, you can, if the market can be extremely bullish, you can buy a call option, and then you can sell it an hour later, and even though the market has run up, you could still lose money. Which
Yeah.
is like, but again, it depends on the Greeks, and I think that's very rare, right? It's
Oh.
not, it doesn't always happen, but the fact that that is possible makes it like a little, I don't know. I'm just
Probably
not
a good way to go would be finding from arbitrage strategy or some shit.
exactly. So that's where a lot of people do the hedging, like, because I know people hedge futures with options, they hedge options with futures, and I know people, they do straddles and all type of stuff like that. But I haven't really, again, I'm not well versed in that area, so I don't really know too much about it. So I can't even, I don't know much about it. I know the basics.
Yeah, man,
But
I don't even know the
yeah,
basics. I say I got an idea, but I won't even say I know the basics. I
yeah,
can probably call options for X day, but as far as that
right,
goes, that's probably the best I can do with it.
right, yeah. And so that's where I'm at with it. Like, I would say I'm more of a, I'm like I'm below novice level.
Yeah, man,
So
I think we're pretty good on on futures right now, and futures is probably one of the hardest things.
yeah,
So,
exactly. Yep.
man, I think I my here with me, trying to I told you that the focus on my risk parameters for the last couple months. I think I'm starting to get to a consolidated state where I can say, okay, I like the outcome. You see what I'm saying?
Right. Yep. 100%. Yo, what's today's date?
Today's the 15th.
Okay. Yeah. Today is the 15th. Okay.
All right, Lou. I'm fixing to call it a day. We gotta head out to Independence. That's an hour and a half.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be at the crib. I'll be back at the crib in like. I'll be at the crib in. I want to say, like 10 minutes. So.
Yeah, they
let me know.
they got it. I just turned my game on it. They got an update.
Oh, okay. That means I gotta do the same.
Yeah, but I should be back sometime tonight, so I'll do a wellness check. See what y'all doing.
All right, cool.
I'll be driving, but